Hi, I'm Jada Pasquale. I'm the registered nurse here at the Novus Center, and today we'll be discussing how to inject testosterone for women. So I want to show you what we're going to be using today. We're going to be using a 1 ml syringe and an orange cap needle. They're going to come separately, so we're going to twist them and put them together. So before I start, I just want to clarify that only women are given 0.05 mLs. Again, that's 0.05 mLs, okay? And that's above the 0.1 ml line. It's very little. I just want to clarify that, okay? Now we're going to wipe our testosterone and wipe our lipomino. So we're gonna start out with testosterone and we're gonna draw it up. Once you have that, we're gonna be drawing up the McB. And you're gonna pull the McB all the way down to the 1 ml line, all the way at the bottom. Okay, and once you have that, you're ready to inject. The importance of McB is that it is a fat metabolizer, and it also gives you a lot of energy because it has a lot of B vitamins. So now we're gonna be showing you how to inject your testosterone. I'm gonna have you start with your hands on your hip and swerve your 4 fingers down to a 90-degree angle, and where your index finger is placed is where you're gonna be injecting. Now I'm gonna have you guys take your alcohol swab and wipe the area clean prior to injection. Grab your syringe, and for video purposes, we're gonna show you the G-rated version. So using your dominant hand, you're gonna be injecting right into that placement. Once you injected it completely, I'm gonna have you take your dominant hand and rub the area 10 times so that the testosterone can stay into the muscular area. There's another way to inject testosterone intramuscularly for you ladies. I'm gonna have you begin sitting down and rest your leg and use your left hand and scroll up your legs at the highest point and grab it and use your alcohol swab and wipe the area clean. Once you're done with that, go grab ahead and use your syringe at a 90-degree angle, inject. Once you inject it all the way, you can go ahead and take it out and rub the area with an alcohol swab 10 times. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please let us know.